Eric, who is she? Huh?
We need to talk in private. Come. Listen, I'll go straight to the point. It is over between us. Listen, I made it clear to you. I said it consistently. I remember telling you that I am no longer interested, but you keep throwing yourself at me. Why?
Eric, why are you talking to me like this? Why? After all that we shared.
We shared nothing. Absolutely nothing. You've been the one throwing yourself at me. And I told you I am not interested. Listen, stop making me feel like a bad person. Because I'm a good person. I just told you I am not interested. Don't you understand? Why are you playing the victim when I am the victim?
Listen, Eric. I love you and God knows that.
Right.
At least tell me that special woman. That special woman in your life that you had to let go of me for. I deserve to know.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You want to know?
Uh-huh.
Well, you have met her already.
What?
Yes, you have.
Don't tell me you're referring to that blind girl.
Well, yeah.
That's half human.
Oh, half
human. You heard me.
Really? Well, that half human is actually more of a woman that you are. Do you understand? She makes me happy. She gives me peace of mind. Okay? She doesn't cheat on me. In fact, I am in love with her. And let me tell you something. I am not the type of man for you. Yes.
Eric.
Listen, every woman was created for that special man. And I am not your special man. Okay? And I know that you're pretty, you're tall, you have a dark skin, but some men don't like dark skinned women. Some men like yellow women. And I fall into that category. I know you're tall, but I don't like tall women. So go and look for your man. Leave me alone.
Eric, wait! Wait. Eric, open up. Eric, open up, please. Eric.
Babe.
Do you have someone else?
Huh?
Do you have someone else?
Huh?
Who was that? Why didn't you say anything in front of...
I was...
Why didn't you say anything?
No, baby, you don't understand. It's not what you think. Alright, I was trying to solve...
Why didn't you say anything? Why, when she asked you who I was, why didn't you say a word?
No, babe,
why didn't you?
Listen,
who am I to you?
She acts crazy sometimes. And
why didn't you say?
I didn't want her to display that.
You have a girl in the city and you did.
Babe, wait. Babe, don't hurt yourself. Babe, wait. Listen, babe.
Leave me alone.
Babe, you have see. Hold on.
You have another woman and... Eric, please go away. You are still there. Just go away, please.
How did you know I was here?
Because I could smell you from miles away. Just go away. Go away. Leave me alone.
Oh God, where are you?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Babe, please, I want to explain. I know.
What do you want to explain? What is it? What is it do you want to explain? Did what we share ever mean anything to you?
I apologize.
Don't touch me! Don't!
Babe, you asked the question. Let me at least answer you.
Another lie? Is that what you want to say? Yes, go ahead. Perhaps another lie. Eric, thank you. Thank you for taking advantage of my vulnerability and toying with my emotions. Thank you. Please, go away. Go away. Leave me alone. I want to go back to the village. I want to go home. I want to go back to the village. I want to go back to the village.
It's okay, you don't have to kill yourself over Eric. Men like Eric are the one who make women generalize that men has come. Look, there are other good men out there and you can always get. God tell me, what did I not do for Eric? What? What did I not do to show him how much I love him? Yet he treated me like a nobody. A nobody. Dear God of vengeance will visit him and Eric will pay for everything that he has done to you. I can't believe this. I can't believe that my Eric chose a blind girl, a poor blind girl over me. Over me, after everything that we shared. I'm trying to tell you that he's demented and he doesn't even know what he's doing. Who does that? That guy is not normal. Look, you don't have to kill yourself over him. That guy is not normal. He's not. I am happy you discovered him on time. So just move on. He doesn't deserve your tears. He's not worth it. It's not that easy. I can't. Stop crying. I know. See, you're a strong woman. You can do this. I'm not a strong woman. I am not a strong woman. I am not a strong woman. Stop. Stop doing this. I'm not a strong woman. Stop. I'm heartbroken. I know. Stop. You should have seen the way Eric treated me. The way he spoke to me in front of that girl. I've lost it. I have lost Eric, no doubt. Let him marry a blind woman and see the other side of life. A better person will come. Just, it's okay. Okay? My friend, you're a strong woman. You know that. I'm not a strong woman. You are. I'm not. I am not. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I am not. Okay. Just smile. It's okay. Okay. Thank you. Let's go through this together. I'm not leaving you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I didn't give you. I didn't give you a chance to explain yourself. My anger got the better part of me. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I should be the one to apologize to you, not the other way around. I'm sorry. Her name is Tina. met her some time ago, at the airport. We boarded the same flight, and to cut a long story short, we've been in touch since that time. She's been all over me. She wants a relationship, but I don't. I can remember telling her that I'm not emotionally ready to, get involved with her, and I was honest with her. I told her every time. Sometimes she tries to, make out, and I say, listen, I'm not ready for this. And she says, why? Don't you like me? Don't you care about me? I said, listen, it's far from that. I have a lot of things I need to take care of, and sex is the last thing on my mind right now. So she just feels like, I don't care about her. But the truth is, I don't have anything to do with her. We don't share anything. She just comes around and tries to be, my friend, my girlfriend, whatever it is. But I don't reciprocate because I don't really like her. And everything changed when I met you, and so I felt like it wasn't right to always have her come around when I know that you're in my life now. I told her off today, and I told her it was over. She should go look for someone who would, make her happy, because I'm not that person, obviously. And I really didn't want you to know. I wanted to just go to her house and tell her off before she eventually showed up here today. So I am sorry.
Did you promise her marriage?
No, I didn't. I can't promise to marry someone I don't love. That's impossible. Listen, I'm sorry for everything, alright? It's not my intention to hurt you or...
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry.
Right.
I'm sorry, like I said, my anger got the better part of me. I was only mad that you didn't tell me about her from day one.
I was going to do that before she showed up. But it's nothing, because there's absolutely nothing between us.
It's okay. Please take me to the hospital.
Yeah, I'll do that right now.
Babe, wait, hold on.
What again?
Wait now. You shouldn't be in a hotel doing this. Babe, it's risky.
What is risky there? You told me your guy went to the village and he will return tomorrow or the day after. So why are you being paranoid? Come.
Wait, I know, but I'm not just
what,
comfortable doing this in his house.
Babe, why are you doing this now? I'm in the mood already, please. Let me stop. Stop, Len. What? Welcome, sir. Get out of my house. Listen, don't touch me. Don't ever want to see you. Don't touch me.
Please, I'm begging you. They have no
You should have known I'm dating a slut. I don't ever want to see you in my house or anywhere around me again. Get your hands off me. Get off of me. Don't touch me. Don't let me see you anywhere around me, else you regret yourself. Come here. I will slap you. Don't ever want to see you again.
I'm sorry. Baby, I love you. Please don't forget.
you want me to touch me again? Yeah.
Hello, nurse. How are you? Please, we're here to see Dr. Martins.
Sir, it's not going to be around by 1 p.m.
By 1 p.m.?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just give him a call.
What nonsense! I mean, what nonsense! It was just a simple request. Very small thing. Find out when he's around. I didn't ask you to execute him. Find out when he's around. For what now? For what? One calm down. Calm down. Huh? Calm down. Huh? I should calm down. Please calm down. Now you know, calm down now. Hey! You just be like, we can choke you now. We can choke you something now. Please. I should calm down. Please. You guys had only but one job. Just one thing. One thing. I didn't even ask you to execute this guy for me. Just find out when he's in town. Still, both of you failed. failed me! You came back on our words to us. Come on, boogie now. Come on, boogie here now. Come on, boogie now. Eh? Your uncle worst. Your uncle was because I know say now widow house you go day when that boy go pass. I know say now widow house you go day. Now for where widow day, now you dey get power. Now where you dey get power, where widow day, now you dey get power. Mugu! See, that guy even spent a whole night in this village, which is enough time for both of you to know that he was around. Still, you failed. That boy drives a big car that should announce his presence. Still, both of you failed me. Now, come up. Come up. Why they give you the money? Why they give you the money? Why they give you the money? Why? Why?
I believe he will come back. Huh?
Then what if he doesn't come back?
His building project is not over. He will still come back. Calm down.
What if he doesn't come back?
He will come back.
Will you go and drag him from the city?
Definitely.
Do you even know where he stays? Do you? Do you even know where he stays? Dead body matter like this now, not of salt. Find out when this guy is around. No be that they run this village again. I mean, people don't take over, make I know now. Because I'm gradually losing interest. I don't lose interest for where both of them are there.
Baba, he will soon be back. And I swear to God Almighty, I go smoke her. I'm go collect what to put us, I swear.
Just be me like make I choke you something safe. Don't be me like make I forget this one for your body safe. If now we don't know, you go wise. Person where you not feel notice when he die around. Now you go collect what to put you. You the meant. You know what? I don't change my mind. Yes. I don't change my mind about killing him. Yes. I've changed my mind. I've got something else to do.
Eric, honestly, I have examined her. We have lots of work to do on her. Lots.
Really?
I knew it. I knew it was going to be a fruitless attempt.
Hey, what do you mean by that? Babe. It's okay.
My dear, don't talk like that. Okay? You are going to get your sight back again after passing through due process.
Doctor, when you talk about due process, do you mean the surgery?
Exactly. So that she can regain her sight again. It's possible.
Really?
Yeah. But again, it's on 50-50 basis. It's either she regains her sight or...
Doctor, I am willing to take the risk.
Uchuka, do you want to think about this thoroughly before you make that decision?
No. I am ready. I know what I'm going into. I will take the risk. And who knows? I will get to see the beauty of this world again.
Right.
My dear, I like your spirit. Honestly. Eric.
Doc.
Permit her to do the surgery.
Permit her? Doctor, it's not in my power to do that. I mean, she has accepted to do the surgery, so that's fine. Go. I'm here.
Maybe are you going to behold the world again?
Sir, the doctor is ready for the surgery.
Okay, thank you.
I know what's on your mind. I know it is filled with uncertainty and fear. But not to worry. I'll be fine. I am optimistic that this will be a success.
Forgive me. I know I have no show of confidence, but that's because I care about you so much. I love you so much and I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me. I would love you to be the first person I would behold once I regain my sight.
I love you.
I love you too.
And I promise to be with you all through this journey. I can't wait to hear you tell me what I look like when you see me.
Of course, you know the answer already. Whatever I'll tell you will not be far from the truth. I love you.
I love you too. Everything is going to be okay, alright? Are you ready? Are you ready? Show me your ready face. Alright. Let's go. So the doctor said the surgery was successful.
Really?
Yes.
So let me take off the bandage.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Why?
Because the doctor said it's going to take about 3 days for it to heal. Okay?
Why the delay? I want you to be the first person I would behold once I take them off.
I understand, but that's okay. I mean, it's their procedure and you can't go against it. Listen, I'm still here. I'm going to be here until you recover, so I'm still going to be the first person you'd see when you wake up.
Okay.
I really can't wait to show you to my people.
Speaking of which, you hardly talk about your people.
Well, that's true, and I'm sorry I hardly talk about them, but for a reason. The truth is, I'm an orphan. I was raised by my foster parents. They picked me up from a motherless baby home.
Aww.
Yeah, and unfortunately, they died in a car crash, leaving me with their only son, my brother, my stepbrother, so I call him.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have asked you.
No, it's okay. I would have still told you, even if you didn't ask. It's alright. I can't wait for you to meet my brother.
I can't wait to meet him.
I love you so much.
Same here.
I can't wait for you to see my brother.
I can't wait to.
It's okay. Can I get you something to eat?
No. I'm fine. Not to worry. I don't feel hungry. I'm still basking in, in the euphoria of the whole surgery thing. I'm still excited.
But you haven't eaten all day.
I'm not hungry.
Alright. I have to go and see the doctor. He asked me to come back and see him. I have to go and know why he wants me to see him.
Okay. Please don't stay too long, okay?
I won't, but you have to promise me one thing.
Okay.
When I leave this room, promise me you won't untie the bandage.
Okay, I promise. I promise.
You shouldn't do that.
Okay. Okay.
Are you sure?
I promise.
You'll be going against the doctor's instructions if you untie the bandage.
Now I know. I won't.
Promise?
I promise.
Okay.
Ouch.
Sorry. I'm back shortly. Doctor, I need to rush home. I have to quickly prepare and go to the site in the village. I was told some of my workers are having issues, so I need to go and calm things down.
Wow. You really have to rush to the village immediately.
Yes, I have to. Doctor, you said Ujuka's recovery is going to take a few days. So I want to seize this moment to quickly rush to the village to sort things out before she, regains consciousness. I promised her I'll be the first person she sees when she regains her sight, and I want to keep that promise. But I'll come back before she recovers.
Is that right?
Yeah.
It's okay.
All right, doctor. One more thing. Can I get someone to take care of her before I come back? She's an orphan and she doesn't have any family around her. Is it possible to get someone to, take care of her and ensures she...
Sure. Eric, you are like a son to me. I like you so much. Just consider it done. I'll get somebody to accompany you.
Thank you very much, doctor. Thanks. I appreciate this. I really do. Thank you. I'll be on my way.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you.
Sosarura juru yobi emeregi echiche ya niile bụ ihe ọjọọ emeregi ngwanekenu nuko si ya gị ije emeregi o emeregi lọja singi kpachara anya gị emeregi
mkpụrụ onye kụrụ ya ka ọ ga-aghọrọ ị na-anụ ya ajọ ndụ ajọka zelu ya whatever you sow that you must reap ajọ ndụ ajọka selu ya maka na ụkpala okpoko gburu n'ọkwa.
Don't you think God see for us? Wonder if our police no see for us.
What carry you come here?
So,
what they smell you now?
something smell pass me.
Idiot. Something they smell. What you say carry you come here?
The engineer.
And you waiting?
Yeah.
You say engineer?
Nah.
For where?
I be they do 1 or 2 so I see and pass. My best now son on top of.
What? Which way? Which side?
Go be one. No be you thought say you know kill him. You sure I got the change
If you today my mind, I don't change my mind. Show me where you see that man now.
Before we go, as an information minister, I been dey bush the so allow me just me 2 minutes. I go offload then fill the waka back.
You're mad. Go show me where you see engineer now. They go, come on, they go. Go show me where you see. They run now, they run.
Doctor, is that you?
Yes. How are you doing today?
It's just slight headache.
You don't have to worry. It will go. The headache will go in no distant time. It's normal with operations. It happens. Normally happens like that whenever you have surgery. Okay? But you got nothing to worry about.
Okay, doctor. Doctor, please, where is my man Eric? I'm hungry now. I would love to eat now.
Eric just stepped out. But he'll be back soon.
Okay, doctor.
Meanwhile, I have ordered somebody to go and get something for you to eat.
Thank you, doctor.
My dear, I think you should focus more on having adequate rest. We just had a successful surgery. Major surgery for that matter. Okay?
Okay, doctor.
My dear, you are indeed a fighter. Yes.
My gratitude goes to God and you.
No. Your gratitude should go to God and God alone. Yes.
I can't wait to take this off.
And I can't wait to behold your face full again.
You are such a kind man, and your words are kind.
Thank you. It's okay. Just rest while I go to arrange the food for you.
Okay, doctor.
All right.
Thank you.
I'll be back in a jiffy.
Thank you, doctor.
All right.
Thank you so much.
No, it's okay. It's okay. So the surgery was successful.
Oh!
And by the grace of God, she'll be fine.
Thank you so much. You've really done well.
No, it's okay.
If not for you, no one else can do this for Ujuka.
I mean, she's going to be fine. Okay. The surgery went well. The doctors say she's going to be fine by the grace of God. So let's just expect and wait for her recovery. Yeah. Right.
I'm so happy.
You're welcome. No, I should be thanking you actually because you had her interest at heart, which makes you a good person. You see? So it is well. It is well. It is well. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Oh, that's the doctor calling me. Okay. Hello? Hi. Okay. Okay, that's fine. All right, thank you.
Hope all is well.
Yeah, everything is fine. Listen, I'll be seeing more of you. Okay? Just let me know if you need anything.
No problem.
Okay?
No problem, eh?
Thank you. I have to rush.
You're welcome.
Take care.
You're welcome.
God bless.
Bless you too.
All right. Yeah.
Bye-bye. My regards to Ujuka.
No problem. She'll be fine. I'll tell her.
Okay.
Take care.
You're welcome.
Yeah. What nonsense is this? Blocking the road for no reason.
This is my community. I am the only one that knows the Akan way, not you. Move! Come on, move, boys. Wait. Move! You can move now. One. Let's take this one back. Wait, bro. Boom! Nice! Wait, I swear, wait. Boom! Okay? Wait. Boom! Oh, yeah, now! One, raise the leg. Raise up. Bro. Close on, go. Wait. Oh, yeah, wait. Move it!
I'll give you guys 1 million.
1 million.
1 million.
This is how they follow you, Joe. I said, move it. Sorry. Move it. Sorry. Move it. Muku. Like I want you. Sad too bad. Voila. Huh? Babe, where me the titrate? Now you two want follow me titrate. You the mental. Voila. But you know say you don't fuck up now, Abi. Say you know, Abi. The idiots, they use fine boy, they go there. I slap you now. Wembu. So waga anya na. Wembu di kore. Ochako omoka.
Please.
Guy, whenever this smoke is ready to talk, let me know.
No shaking. No shaking. Baba, so you never chow since morning, you know. My stomach they make noise. How far now? Muku chow now.
Guy, what's in the sub? Abi your papa now.
One again, I'm missing now. We no go chow again. Muku chow now. What's up? Huh? Muku chow now. Na job what you do? I believe you now. If you don't know something.
Water.
No, you need water, eh?
Water.
Okay, let me check if my urine is still there. Let me give it to you.
Overall, boss.
I wonder.
Vroom.
Hey!
Vroom. So where?
If you like, use and buy $1 million.
Wonder because mommy was space. Wonder mommy also.
You happy?
What's your name?
We don't fuck up now. As it be like this, you still take it.
Water. I need some water to drink.
You need water?
Please. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I need some water to drink.
Did you care for my urine?
Water.
Okay.
Guy up with that thing because we'll go call him.
What? No. No. Please don't call him. Don't call him, please. Listen, I promise to give you any amount of money. Please don't call him. Listen, if you let me go, I promise not to involve the police. I promise. Please.
You don't just ask Mugabe. For your mind to be fools.
No. I never said you're fools. I know you're smart men. I know you're a good man. But please, just let me go. I promise to give you some money. I have some money. I'll give you some money. Please. Please just let me go. I have an important place to be at. Right now. Please. Please.
I see. I guess you're missing her, right? You want to be with her, right? Even when you know that she belongs to our boss. Wanda, you are a big fool, wallahi. Is she the only girl in this world that you cannot remove your interest in her? Eh? Oh, I'll slap.
That ball on Junius, go call on Junius, I beg.
Okay, go and call him. One day he eat bread and then cook. They tell me to make her go call him.
Never come out, I see the chop, go call him.
Bro, listen to me. Pay attention. I have money. I can give you money. Just let me go, bro. Please.
Hey, I go call on Junius now. See the chop.
Carlo, watch this idiot.
Standing by.
I don't want him to escape, okay?
Standing by.
Did you hear what I said?
Standing by.
Watch him very well.
Standing by.
Bro. My brother. You look like you have a good heart. I can give you 2 million. 2 million. Think of what 2 million can do for you.
Nurse, why is he not here yet?
You mean Miss Eric?
Yes, Mr. Eric, the man who brought me here. He said he will be back shortly. Up until now, he hasn't returned.
I saw him drove off in a hurry.
Nurse, I need him by my side now. I need him. Oh, please, nurse, can someone put a call across to him, please?
Calm down, let me go and inform the doctor.
Okay, nurse, thank you.
Mr. Eric, you think I don't know? Amadi, I got my eyes on you.
You think you're smart?
Amadi, I got my eyes on you.
You think you're smart? Huh? First of all, I know that you are the one behind Eric's disappearance. But don't worry. I am Amadi. I must expose you. I will expose you and the police will come after you again. They will arrest you again.
If Pikin see fight where they separate, you go say me fight come, you go run.
Okay, Mechano.
Amadi, the only reason you are still breathing like now, the only reason you are still seeing the air to breathe is because the police already done the suspect me. If not be say police don't they suspect me, Amadi light ya again. I go off you.
Oh, what if you get me?
Amadi, I go off you like
what if you get me? Please tell me why you are here and get out from my shop.
Just tell me why you're in my shop.
What do you want?
No one now. John one joke
I am not selling to you, and I would never sell my palm wine to a murderer like you. Never.
But the man listen.
Listen.
The man listen.
I will never sell palm wine to you.
Oh, Amadi is even feeling special with the palm wine already. Very special. But you're not the only one selling palm wine in this village. You can't. You're not the only one now.
Please go elsewhere and take it.
Go elsewhere and drink palm wine.
You now.
I can never sell my palm wine to you. Please, leave my shop. Leave my bar, Biko.
Longi, longi, longi.